As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, YouTube Shorts was a relatively new feature, and the monetization options for Shorts were limited compared to regular YouTube videos. However, YouTube frequently updates its features and policies, so it's possible that there have been significant changes since then. Here's a comprehensive guide on YouTube Shorts monetization based on the information available up to September 2021. One, eligibility requirements. To monetize YouTube Shorts, you generally need to meet the eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partner Program IP. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel in the past 12 months. Two, ad revenue. YouTube Shorts could generate ad revenue through short ads that appear in or before your shorts. This revenue is typically shared between you and YouTube. Three, channel membership. If you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you may offer channel memberships to your viewers. This allows your fans to subscribe to your channel for a monthly fee and receive perks like custom emojis and badges. Four, super chat and super stickers. During live streams, you can enable super chat and super stickers, which allow your viewers to pay for their messages to be highlighted or to use special stickers during the chat. Five, merchandise shelf. If you have merchandise to sell, you can use the merchandise shelf to showcase your products directly under your Shorts videos. Six, brand deals and sponsored content. You can collaborate with brands for sponsorships and product placements in your shorts, provided you adhere to YouTube's guidelines for disclosing paid partnerships. Seven, affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate links in your video descriptions to earn commissions from sales generated through those links. Eight, donations and crowdfunding. Some creators use platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to receive direct donations or crowdfunding from their dedicated audience. 9. Community support. Engage with your audience and build a loyal community. The more engaged and dedicated your viewers are, the more likely they are to support you financially. 10. Adhere to YouTube policies. Always ensure that your content complies with YouTube's community guidelines and policies to maintain your eligibility for monetization. Remember, YouTube's policies and features can change, so it's essential to stay up to date with the latest information on YouTube's official blog and Creator Academy. Additionally, consider seeking advice from established YouTube creators who can provide insights based on their experiences with YouTube Shorts monetization as of your current date in 2023.